Convert two 15-pin SATA power supply connectors to an 8-pin PCI Express video card power connector. PCI Express Power Adapter. PCI Express Power Cable. SATA to PCI Express Power. SATA to PCIe Power. SATA to 8-pin PCI Express. 8-pin PCI Express, female, to 2x 15-pin SATA, male, power connectors. Constructed with top-quality components. The Startech SATA Power to 8-pin PCI Express video card power cable adapter features a PCI Express power connector as well as two 15-pin SATA male power connectors. This provides a cost-effective way to connect a PCIe video card to serial ATA power connectors provided by the computer power supply, eliminating the need to upgrade the power supply for the sake of video card compatibility. It's expertly designed and constructed of top-quality materials. Startech SATA Power to 8-pin PCI Express video card power cable adapter. 1x8-pin PCI Express, female, connector to 2x15-pin SATA, male, connectors gold-plated SATA connectors length. 6. Top reviews from the United States. Works great when you don't have any more power supply connections. This cable allowed me to connect 8-pin to GPU to SATA, which provides additional power. I use this on a 2060 RTX card.